should. Feel the sweat on your face. So good, so good, so good, so good. Here we go.
And today with Mr. Rexu, we are at the Orange County Fairgrounds in Orange County, California. And this is the first gun show since the COVID lockdown. And we have a special guest. It's one of our knife vendors.
Hi there. I'm Jim Rose with Omega Products. I've been a vendor of the gun show trade here in California for going on 12 years now. And we're really happy and thrilled to be back in Costa Mesa at the gun show. And we're expecting a big crowd. And hoping to see a lot of old friends and acquaintances and people that we've done business with before. It's been very tough in California. You know, I'm one of the fortunate ones, work full-time, but a lot of these vendors here, this is their entire life. This is their livelihood. And in spite of what the bureaucrats in Sacramento think, we're not all a bunch of warmongers. There's a lot of families here that sell non-gun related products, and this is one of the venues where they're very successful. So gun shows are very productive for a lot of people. So anyway, that's enough of the politics, but did you want me to show you around a little bit here?
So these are the knives he has with him today. We have a good selection of pre-sale cold steel. So these were the original cold steels.
That's correct. That is correct. Yes.
We have
the company was recently bought out
by GSN, if I'm not mistaken,
yes.
out of Texas.
And Lynn Thompson, I thought he'd never sell, but he did. But so far, the new owners have held pretty true.
Well, that's a good thing to hear.
I'm in the middle of unpacking here and getting set up for the show, but I carry a pretty wide range of products, including Spyderco and Zero Tolerance and Kershaw.
Now we do have a great selection of tops. So if you guys have been having a hole burned in your pocket with that stimulus check, come over and stimulate the economy and buy yourself a great new knife. Thank you so much for being with us here today. We really appreciate it. And as always, have a nice day.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
Feeling good, like you should. Feel the sweat on your face.